Okay, so let's take a look at how you can import the Airtable data into client apps. So first thing, make sure to register to your client apps. Also add your team members into client so that you can test it with multiple users, right? So I have one of the team member created client account. Now what I will do is I will open the client and then I will connect it with Airtable. So I already have Airtable account. I have one sample base created which contains CRM data, right? So let's go back to Glide. Here I will have to create the project. So I will look at the new project option, click on it. Here we have project name. So I will just add Airtable CRM and I will choose large screen for that particular CRM, then click continue. Now here you can see the source being Glide tables, Google Sheet, Excel, Airtable, and other options that we can import, right? So let's choose Airtable as an option, click continue. Here you can see Airtable account API key. So where to find this? You can go to your Airtable, then choose account. Let's try and find the key over there, right? So here you can see API keys will be depreciated by the end of January, right? So if you are seeing this in future, most likely that option is gone, right? Still it asks us that particular API key, so we'll go to developer hub, can create the developer key and then add that over here, right? There must be other options too, so we can find that, but I'm not sure for this particular option, right? So here let's see, we go to account, then currently you can see only linking option is there. So let's go back to developers, then you can use API key. In near future it will be allowing you to use the token, right? Here you can see I simply have to copy this, then paste it here, right? And it will be accepted and I can say connect. So once the token comes in, you will get the token option here, then token you can put in, right? Now I can choose the base and then click create page. I can close the Airtable option. I can also edit some of the things, considering my teammate's name will be on the app, that we have to change to something like, say, CRM app kits, here CRM as name. So here you can see Airtable CRM is the name, which is a good thing. It already has a list of companies, then we have cities, right? Then there is people, and finally the users within the company. So currently it's just me and another member that will be allowed access to this. I can go for list, which makes things a lot easier. I'll just have to add images so that this list becomes accessible. Then there is cities option. You can see I can access this in list, then comes people, and finally users, right? So let's say if we choose to add city, click on it, add. So what will happen, it will create a list. Let's say I want to add my own, then there is geocache and then contact. So let's see for some of the users from this particular, and then there is geocache, right? So I will say India and I will just submit this, and let's see, we have like one entry there where you can see geocache India, Pune is added, and we got our data properly added. So there are a few other things you can do. You can additionally add columns, and once you do that you are good to go with. Most likely when you want to change colors or other themes and also the icons, you will have to add the respective column. Can take a look at data tab here. As you can see, I have a lot of columns, right? And I can add a new row by clicking this, column by clicking this side on the right? Then comes layout. We looked at this particular layout. For desktop, there is mobile view, which will shrink everything, right? And then you can see that cities, people, user. So everything works on that part. So let's go back to desktop view and choose other options like our breadcrumbs here says title fields, right? Currently is visible like that, right? You can add additional row and columns and populate the rest. I would say pretty much did the job just by uploading your Excel or CSV file, and you get a lot of these options, right? So we managed to upload our Airtable data into Glide apps.